Okay, pet him. Tell him he's a good boy. Come get him. Come get him. Buddy, it's okay. Come get him. He got scared of the doggy.
Why?
Because the Dixie likes to chase him. Grab his leash.
No! No!
Go get him.
Stop!
Go get his leash.
I can't catch up with him.
He's stuck on the bush. Can you untangle him?
Oh
Okay, grab his leash. Okay, unhook it from his legs gently. Carter, look, his leg is stuck. Can you unhook his leg?
no! There we go.
Yep, that's right. Okay, bring him back over here. There you go, nice and gentle.
You get me a tangle around. This way. Duh. Okay, you hold his leash.
Well, pet him, tell him he's a good boy.
Good boy. Okay, I'll hold him.